Okay, you guys, I'm going to do the long-awaited room tour. I know you guys been waiting a while for this. So as we enter my apartment, you see that we have the kitchen area where you get a fridge, a stove, microwave. That's my roommate's toaster. And we provided our own trash can. We also have these drawers and stuff. This one's my drawer. So you get some kitchen space. Normally there's 4 chairs. You can see the other chairs over there, but those were way too tall for this little table. Please ignore my lunchbox, you guys. I just got home from my internship. So this is the living room area. So it's provided with the TV, a little shelf, 2 tables, and the couch. This area is actually never really used. So now we go deeper into the apartment and we're gonna go ahead and enter my room. So all the wooden appliances excuse me guys, all of the wooden appliances was provided by St. Leo. So obviously they applied this drawer or my trash can. They also provided the bed. They provided this, and then they provided the desk. So here's the 2 mirrors. Hey guys. Oh, and the closet space. You get a good amount of space for the closet. It's enough for me to fit my entire shoe rack. Oh, you have shelves on top of here too. I just put storage up there, as well as another drawer set. I have a lot of clothes, you guys. And I also use the underbed storage because my bed isn't lifted all the way, and I did that purposely so that I could use the underbed storage. So yeah, and you get a window. I think every room has a window. That's my vision board, you guys. So I have my fridge on top of the little desk or drawer set. And on the door, I have my affirmations. This is the light. If you guys want to see how bright it makes the room. Makes it pretty bright. Then we're moving on into the bathroom area. So each side gets their own sink. That's my roommate's side. This is mine. You get a mirror. That's my second set of affirmations. Sink. You also get this handy little cupboard thingy, and down here these move. Just have more storage down here. Lastly, lo and behold, the bathroom. So obviously the tub and the toilet, and then we also have these little handy storage things. This one is mine. And then this one's just my roommate's. So I think that's it for the tour, you guys. Thank you for viewing. It's not really much to see, like I said before, but of course I just want to give you guys the opportunity to see what you'll be working with at St. Leo University. Comment and subscribe. Thank you.